Meaning of granny knot.
Granny knot.
Granny knot.
Granny knot.
Granny knot. A granny knot is a type of knot that is commonly used to tie shoelaces, but it is not a secure or strong knot. It is often characterized by its appearance, with the two loops of the knot being twisted in opposite directions. This results in a knot that is prone to slipping and coming undone easily. It is important to use more secure knots, such as the square knot or the bowline knot, for tasks that require significant strength or safety, such as rock climbing or construction work.